First one out of the plane. Hello guys, my name is Moxley, an international man of mystery. I'm not sure what that means. But yesterday, by accident, I set the world record for the fastest man out of an international terminal with a foreign passport. It only took me about 10 minutes from the gate at Bangkok airport to the customs. I was the first one out to the airplane, out to the gate, and also the first one out of the customs. Now luckily I've captured the footage on my GoPro Hero 8. Let's go ahead and take a look. Hey guys, so I just left Indonesia, Jakarta to Bangkok. I'm gonna lay over for 6 hours because I couldn't find a direct flight to Korea. But my layover is 6 hours, so my brother-in-law lives here, so I'm gonna actually go downtown, have some Korean food with them, and check out Bangkok for a few hours, and go back to Korea. So pretty exciting. Hop out and hop in. Yeah, it looks really awesome out here. Hi guys, just landed in Bangkok. I'm gonna run through customs, or run to customs, so I can get to downtown as soon as possible and spend more time there. Since I also have a fan, I can cool myself down. But I'm gonna try to beat up everybody in this airport. Just I don't really have much luggage. Anyway, well, I'll try to tape some of that, film some of that. So I'm ready to like run out of here. They're actually opening the door right here. That's great. Alright, can't open. Come on guys, let's go. Captain Cap. Howdy Cap. Alright, let's go. First one out of the plane. I've never run out of here. Oh my god. Wait, immigration. First one out of the airplane. Oh my god. Oh, that's funny. Alright, let's go to immigration, baby. Oh my god. Okay, almost there. That was real quick. Alright, here's another trick. You can ride this. Real good. Alright. Got it real quick. Alright. Hi guys, so my plan that landed at 4:20, I got out of immigration at 4:30. Also, I had a Thai Silk, which is a business class, which means you get priority when you go out, and there was nobody there. So if you want to get out, otherwise it would have took me like at least 30 minutes, another hour. That was a record time, fastest I got out of the Bangkok immigration. Go ahead and meet up with Jimmy and boom shakalaka. Anyway, to accomplish this, several things had to happen. I was on a business trip to Indonesia, and on the way back, I was supposed to fly economy, but at the last minute, I got so tired, so I upgraded to business class. Now, thanks to the business class, also at the customs, I was able to get out quickly as Bangkok airport offers a separate priority line for business Thai Airways travelers. So without those things happening, I could not have achieved this. Obviously, by luck, I did not have to wait in any lines, and thanks to me running and riding the cart like a skateboard, I literally flew out of immigration.
Anyway, I'm not showing off or anything like that. I just wanted to share with you guys this awesome, wonderful experience of being the fastest man at the airport. I've also got the international dog of mystery. This dog I picked up in Indonesia. This dog had traveled more than most Americans. This dog was also in one of the bogs with me when I was setting the world record for the fastest man out of the airport. Anyway, hit the thumbs up for the international man of mystery. Have a great day, and as always, stay home on travel.
It's cold here, so I gotta get some morning exercise. Go real fast. Woo! I beat everybody today again. Too fast. These guys too slow. Look at that. I beat everybody every day. That's why I'm #1 in the world. Woohoo!